name of your company, first of all?
Yes, my company's name is Baoding Julong Microwave Energy Equipment Company Limited.
Yeah, that's very long.
Yes.
Okay. And what are your products? Can you talk a little bit about them?
Yes, our
What you
product
produce?
is about the machines which are used to produce ceiling strips. Yes, the ceiling strips are used in cars, the window or door, and some buildings. Yeah.
Okay, I see. And is this your first time in the fair, or have you come before?
No, it's my first
This
time
is your
to be
first time
here. Yeah.
as a company, right?
Yes, yes,
Okay. And do you have any customers in Turkey?
yes.
And when was your company established? Which year?
In 1999.
1999. Okay.
Yes.
And how long have you had Turkish customers? Do you remember?
We have a lot of customers, so you can see some of the customers' logo are here.
Okay, I see. And
Standard profile is
standard
Turkey,
profile, yeah.
yes,
This was
company.
from Turkey, right?
Yes.
And
yes.
the others from other countries?
Yes.
Okay. And this is the only Turkish company here?
Yes.
Okay. And what do you think about the fair? Do you think it's beneficial for your company, for the rubber sector? What do you think about it?
We hope it can bring us more
Opportunities,
yes,
maybe.
yes, yes, more customers, because we come here and we have a lot of hopes and hope this
I see.
it will be successful.
Yeah, I see. And have you had any exchange with any Turkish customers?
Exchange.
Like interaction, maybe you get some Turkish customers thanks to the fair.
We invite our customers to be here, and we prepare some introductions of our company. And if customers or potential customers come here, we can show them our company.
Yeah.
Some video or some brochures. Like this.
Okay, I see. That was it. Thank you so much. Thank you
You're
for your
welcome.
time. This was brief, right? Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you for sparing your time for us.
Okay.
Hep beraber doğaya, insana duyarlı sanayi üretimi. Hep beraber Türkiye'mize güçlü bir kauçuk sektörü. Hep beraber sanayisi doğaya ve insan sağlığına duyarlılığıyla dünyada öne çıkmış güçlü bir Türkiye. Kauçuk Derneği olarak biz Türkiye için varız, sizler için varız. Hep beraber birlikte daha güçlüyüz.